good morning ma'am. This is my video representation in calcispongy or calcarea. Calcispongy refers to sponge from the class Calcareas, which are marine animals in the phylum Porifera. These sponges are distinguished by their skeletons, which are composed of calcium carbonate spicules. So, next is family in the species. First is Clatrinidae. Features tubular or branching sponge with simple structures. So, second is Leucolusinidae. Contains simple ascoid sponge, typically small and tube-like. So, third is Syconidae. Characterized by syconoid body plan with a more complex canal system. Next is Grantidae. Contains leuconoids sponges, often larger with intricate structures. So last is Genkenidae. Includes sponges with distinctive skeletal arrangement. And next is habitat and distribution. Found exclusively in saltwater habitats. Distribute worldwide, particularly in coastal regions. And next is physical characteristics. Calcispongy or class Calcarea are small marine sponges with skeleton made of calcium carbonate. Spicules that can be monoxon, tetragate, or tetraxon in shape. And they exhibit simple body forms, asconoid and syconoid or leuconoid, are porous and come in diverse shapes like tubular, vase-like, or ensuring often with pale or bright colors. Feeding behavior. Calcisponges or class Calcarea are filter feeder, relying on water flow through their porous bodies to capture food particles. Next is reproduction. The reproduction of calcispongy or class Calcarea can be both sexual and sexual with different methods depending on the species and environmental conditions. Dito po sa sexual reproduction, calcispongy can reproduce asexual by forming buds, small outgrowths, and develop into new individuals. And sa sexual reproduction naman po, most calcispongy are hermaphroditic, meaning each individuals can produce both eggs and sperms through typically at different types of prevent self-fertilization. Next is vocalization and social behaviors. Vocalizations, no vocalizations. Calcispongy lack and ability to produce sound or vocalizations. These colonies are not coordinated in way that more complex organisms like corals or eusocial insects interact socially. This is conservation status. Habitat destruction, coastal development population, and habitat degradation, coral reef damage, or sedimentation. Treating the habitats where calcisponges thrives. Climate change, rising temperatures, ocean acidifications, and change ocean current due to climate change and affect the distribution and health of calcisponges. Pollution. Chemical pollutants and excess nutrient in the water can disrupt sponge populations. Additionally, plastic pollution and oil spills pose a direct threat to their survival. And so that's all. Thank you.